Hi guys! 8:20 PM na, wow po sure na, brethren, family and friends sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and date selection consultant. So, kumusta po kayo, BFF? Ito po, Sabado and tomorrow, Sunday. And for all we know, kalahati na po ang September. Tomorrow being September 15. Ganun pong kabilis na po. Grabe po, ano. And we are hearing a lot of news. Most of them not so good. Nakikita natin. So, we really need the mental toughness po, ano. The only thing that we can control is ourselves. And of course, we have this po, ito pong backing, game changer, counting from 64 to 1 po, no. Ito lang magagawa ho natin the journey into us na po. Tayo po. And then, pag kaya na po natin, pag naka-align na po tayo sa time, po. Yes, then we go outward. Tayo po muna, inward muna. With all the challenges, with all the environment. Challenge, grabe po, no? Wow! So, ito po yung time, no? And there's no better time tomorrow to prepare dahil Sunday, and wala na po excuse, You can do this. Hi to Senior Warden, Kuyang Joseph Noble, sir. Hi. Hi, Kuyang. Happy weekend, Brother Senior Warden Nobs. Good evening, Thanks for watching. So, Kuyang Joseph Nobs, Brother Senior Warden Sir, ano ba bukas? Tomorrow is September 15. The Water Horse enters the Excellent Officer Day. Oy, gaano bang ka-excellent yan, Kuya Norman? Tingnan natin. Let us see. Okay. So tomorrow, it's suitable again. Ito na naman, making a donation. Tama-tama, linggo bukas. If you're going to church or temple, make a donation. Unang-una po, we are reminded of this. Going to see is good. Meeting friends, pursuing studies, haircut is good. Avoid. Hi to Ma'am Michelle. Thanks for watching. Hi, Madam. Kumusta po ang iyong bahay po sa Dasma? Kumusta po? So, Ma'am, bukas, avoid. Of course, starting a business, linggo-linggo. Assume a new post. Naman, linggo din. Moving to a new house, not also recommended. Utility services and trading, not also recommended. But again, we are known for not in the habit of postponing things. May daily chimen. Siyempre naman. Norman, nakakasanay. Nag-antay na ng matagal Nag-antay na after the ghost mo, tapos sasabihin mo, hindi pwede. Mayroon po solusyon. Ito po tayo, may solusyon tayo. Okay. Ito na po, September 15. And then I made mention the game changer is backing to Southeast. Dahil ang Southeast po, meron siyang energy of magic. Uy, ganda. Magic and diplomatic energy. Wow. But ito po, pag ginamit nyo po ito, make sure you have the courage. May tapang ka, ikaw may tapang ka na gawin ito, Make sure na you have the courage to do this. That is back into Southeast, our game changer. If you want to make create an opportunity tomorrow, talikod naman sa South. If you're not feeling well, something is pesting ahem, cold, lagnat, ubo, anything, talikod sa Southwest. Or if you know someone here and abroad, anywhere in the world, not feeling well, whole day, 11:01 later PM up to 10:59 PM the next day, talikod sa Southwest. Yung pong alignment, nakatalikod sa Southwest. Po, kung hindi man tayo makapagbigay po ng any monetary, any medical, at least BFF, i-share natin. Whole day to. Talikod sa Southwest if you want healing. If you want to get your lost energy back, ito po yun. If you want to attract noble people with caliber, high status po na helpful people, ito po yun. Back into Southwest. If you are to deal with anything to do with money, heart-to-heart talk, makipagbate, makipag-usap, you get what you want, tao sa tao, person to person, talikod sa West. If you're into blogging, you're a content maker, you're into sales and marketing, you're selling something, services, or your product, or yourself, talikod po naman sa Northeast. Ayan. Okay. Now, gamitin natin ito pong game changer. lagyan natin ng word, lagyan natin ng script na po. Ayaw natin manghula. Opo, hindi tayo manghuhula dito. Lagyan natin ng script. South is backing. Ayan. Pero what I mean, can be Tagalog, English po, or in your own dialect po. Basta po ang pattern, you let go of those bad experiences, bad people, bad situation, your past, when it's not good, you open up for new opportunities, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, and you give it back to society. 5 po yun. Okay. Tingnan natin ang script. Apo. Okay. Ang script po ay ganun po din, gaya po din ng dati. Universe or your God, how you call your God, your faith, or Jesus, Gautu, El Shaddai. I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey. Hi Maring Seni, all the way from Pasig. Thanks for watching. And open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and I'm always eager to evolve, learn and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize vision and speech by always attracting investments, career growth, and endless financial ideas, which leads me to financial windfalls. Amen. Or how you end your prayer. Ayan po, so mote it be. Ayun po, then, pwede po ito yung guide nyo. Again, first-timers, you count from 64 to 1, 8:11:01 p.m. later, up to 10:59 p.m. the next day, buong araw po na, Daily Chimen. Nakaupo, nakatalikod, using a compass, nakatalikod sa southeast, and count from 64 to 1, uninterrupted, and then ito. Dialogue, speech. Don't you forget. Okay. Now, sa mga nagre-request, normal, Green Dragon naman, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden watching the door. Meron ba? Meron po tayo. Okay, bigay ko po sa inyo. Alam nyo po, I'm so happy that a lot of you are messaging me, personal messages, that you have been benefiting from our sharing. I'm also glad po to be an instrument po of being able to share. Maraming pong salamat. And ang ating pong exchange of energies is we like and share. After all, free po ito eh. So, mas marami po ang makakaalam, ang magbe-benefit, mas maganda po. Lalo na po yung at this point in time is financially challenged, na pag sinabihan mo, you buy this, you buy that, normal naman eh, mahirap na nga ang buhay. Okay, eto po yon. So, no excuse. All you need to do is, nakaupo ka, compass, even na yung Boy Scout compass, Kids compass pwede, basta sa direction important. Okay, let's go for the Green Dragon. Ayan. Ayan natin. Okay. September 15. Ito po. As early as, sa mga hindi makatulog, 3 a.m. to 4:59 a.m. Flying bird fall into cave, talikod sa southeast. O, yun na. Whole day na ba, may southeast tayo. And then, mag another layer ka po, ano? Southeast backing, flying bird fall into cave. Wherein blessing comes to you. Kung ma-miss out naman, may 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m., another flying bird fall into cave. Eto naman time na to, nakatalikod sa west. And then from 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m., lunchtime, talikod sa south, Green Dragon returns, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen. Talikod sa west, flying bird fall into cave, same time. And talikod sa north, Jade Maiden watching the door, 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Kung medyo na busy sa pagkain, hi to Kuya Benson, thanks for watching. Na busy sa pamamasyal, sa pagkain, sa paghahanap ng parking or sa traffic, o meron po tayo, 1 p.m. to 2:59 p.m. Flying bird fall into cave, talikod sa east, and Green Dragon returns, talikod sa south. So you can reply para po ma-take note nyo. Ang dami. Wow, ganda naman. So, let's review. Sa mga first-timers, reviewin natin. Ano ba yung Green Dragon? Okay, Green Dragon. Sabi po dito, Green Dragon is the number 1. It's the best formation for victory, career progression, and increased profits. negative situations resolved, and relationship flourish. Initiate lawsuits and outstanding outcomes for taking action. Green Dragon yon. Flying Bird naman tayo, BFF. Kuya Benson, Flying Bird. Good fortune falls into your lap, increased wealth and profits, good for trade and investment. Nobleman offers help, and relationship grows. Chaotic situation resolved, and plans go smoothly. Defend. Ito naman, depensa naman sa court cases. Supportive of new ventures and career development. Jade Maiden, watching the door. Yung pangatlo naman to. For likability and control. Good for planning and strategizing. Help, obtain help. Turn enemies into friends. Positive for negotiations, career, and educational pursuits. Wow. Ayan. So, brethren, friends, and family, there you have it po. Kompleto po. Now, just to make sure, meron pa ba tayong mga, tayo po nag-message po tungkol po dun sa cleansing. Tingnan nga natin kung meron pa po. Okay. Let us see. Kasi baka po malilimutan, sayang po yung mga cleansing dates Hindi po siya laging meron. Ayan. So, let us see. Okay. Tingnan po natin. Ayan. So, kanina po nagkaroon po ng energy creation and tomorrow it's about multiplying the energy. So, ite-10x yung energies and this is tomorrow, September 15 from 3 p.m. to 4:59 p.m. back to north. So, tingnan natin yung time na yon. Let's go deeper, BFF pa. Ano bang meron niya sa time na yan? Kuya Norman. Okay, let us see. Okay, sa 15th, sinabi doon, nakatalikod sa north. Ayun. So, meron po doong earth deity for healing and also a life door. Ang ganda, no po? And this combination po, it's all about 10x that energy. So, you 10x something that is good, Don't 10x something that's not so good. So, be reminded of that, So, it's about, tomorrow, it's about grounding. Again, nakaupo ka and you visualize whatever you want. Your energy being strengthened, po, lumalaki siya in a positive way. It's tomorrow. And then, blessings from the universe. Again, this is on Tuesday, September 17, 5 to 6:59 p.m. Again, lahat to north Talikod sa north. And internalizing the energies. Wednesday, 18, 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Also talikod sa north. BFF, I know health is wealth and we are hearing a lot of, challenges. Nakakalungkot, but, we have to go over it. Hi to Sir June. Thanks for watching po. Yeah, good evening. So, yung po, the game changer po is not only for financial, it's not only for happiness, but also for health. Okay, so we can do this. And then yung Green Dragon po, of course, these are our structure aligned with the universe, aligned with the universal energies to make sure that we get what we want. After all, nalulungkot po tayo, very obvious if we don't get what we want or we are expecting this pero ang dumating baliktad. Nakakalungkot. Now, you have the power, BFF. You're watching now. You have the power now to manifest, to pray for it. You push it, pray until something happens po, using this. Gamitin natin. Alam niyo po, when I learned metaphysics po back in KL, back in Singapore, I've seen yung mga naging future classmate ko now, nakatalikod sila. Imbis na kumakain ng sandwich, nag-i-Starbucks, nagsa-Subway, nandun sa sulok, nakatayo, or nakaupo, nakapikit. Natutulog puyat sa biyahe? Hindi pala. Nung naging classmate ko sila po sa Chimen Club, a club that is limited to less than 100 students all over the world, doon ko napagtanto, kaya pala nakaupo, nakatalikod doon, may day and time, nagmamanifest, nagdadasal para ma-afford or financial blessing to be able to pay yung aming quite high na tuition fee. Imagine that was years back, pre-pandemic pa. Di po ba now, we have this information, kabayan, BFF, let's go for it. let's share it po. Maybe again, some are out there na hopeless na, depressed. Ito po yung game changer. Kaya po game changer, it will turn things around. Again, BFF, thank you so much for the opportunity to being able to share. Happy Sunday, kalahati na po ng September, malapit na po ang Christmas time. Let us continuously pray for each other, for our leaders, for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all, and with a grateful heart, marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Like and share, BFF. Thank you. God bless. Good night. Bye-bye. See you again tomorrow.